Wyoming Game and Fish Department, WFD, has recently released data on the number of samples tested for chronic wasting CWD in the state in 2024. A total of 5,276 samples were tested, including deer, antelope, and moose, and 726 of these samples came back positive. This represents 13.7% of the total samples tested statewide, and it's clear that the prevalence of CWD is increasing among mule deer in Wyoming. CWD is a highly contagious and fatal disease that affects deer, elk, and moose, and it can also spread to other species. It's caused by a type of bacteria called bovid herpes BHB1 and is transmitted through direct contact with infected animals or contaminated virus. The WFD is committed to monitoring the spread of CWD and working to minimize its impact on wildlife and human health. In 2024, the Wyoming Game and Fish Department's Wildlife Health Laboratory conducted a comprehensive testing of 5,276 samples for chronic wasting disease, CWD. This testing revealed that 726 of the samples came back positive, which amounts to 13.7% of the total samples tested statewide. Additionally, the department also observed an increase in the prevalence of CWD among mule deer throughout the state. CWD is a highly contagious disease that affects the nervous system of deer and other members of the cervid family. It has the potential to cause significant damage to wildlife populations, and therefore it is crucial to monitor and control its spread. The Wyoming Game and Fish Department is committed to protecting the state's wildlife and ensuring the health and well-being of its residents and visitors. In 2024, the Wyoming Game and Fish Department's Wildlife Health Laboratory conducted a comprehensive test for chronic wasting disease, CWD, on more than 5,000 samples. The results of the test showed that 726 samples came back positive for the disease, which is a 13.7% prevalence rate statewide. This represents an increase in CWD prevalence for mule deer throughout the state. CWD is a highly contagious disease that affects the nervous system of deer and other members of the cervid family, such as elk and moose. It is caused by a bacterium called bovine fungiform encephalopathy, prion. Can have serious consequences for the health of deer populations. The Game and Fish Department takes CWD testing very seriously and work tirelessly to monitor and control the spread of the disease.